Lesson 6. Cooking food. Warm up. We need food for our survival. Food that we eat is either cooked or eaten raw. There are some food items that can be eaten either way. Food is necessary for our survival. It helps in growth of our body and keeps us healthy and fit. In early days, when man had no knowledge to produce fire, they ate everything raw. However, with the discovery of fire, they started cooking food before consuming them. Food that we eat raw: mango, apple, cucumber, carrot, tomato. Most of the fruits and some vegetables can be eaten raw. Fruits like mango, apple, orange, guava, grapes, etc. need no cooking before we eat them. Similarly, vegetables like cucumber, carrot, tomato, radish, etc. are eaten raw in the form of salad. However, we should get these fruits and vegetables thoroughly washed before cutting or eating to get rid of germs. Fact to know: if vegetables or fruits are washed after cutting, many important vitamins and minerals get washed away. Food that we cook before eating. Most of the food we eat are cooked. Cooking makes the food soft, tasty, and also easy for chewing and digesting. Cooking also kills many germs present in food that might be harmful for our body. Plant food like cereals, pulses, vegetables like potato, pumpkin, brinjal, etc., and animal food like meat, fish, etc. need to be cooked well before eating. Fact to know: cooked food are soft, tasty, and easy to digest. They are also free from many disease-causing germs. Various methods of cooking. Various methods like frying, steaming, boiling, baking, grilling, roasting, etc. are used to cook food. Let's know more about them one by one. Boiling. Boiling is the process of cooking food in hot water. Rice, pulses, meat, fish, eggs, and some vegetables are cooked by this method. Besides making the food soft, boiling also kills the germs present in the food. Steaming. Steaming is the process of cooking food in a pressure cooker or steamer using steam. Idlis, dhokla, momos, etc. are cooked using this method. Frying. In frying, food is cooked in hot oil without the use of water. Generally, three methods are used while frying: deep frying, shallow frying, and stir frying or sauteing. Deep frying. In this method, food is completely dipped in hot oil to cook. Puris, samosas, pakoras, potato chips, etc. are cooked by this method. Shallow frying. In this method, food is cooked using a little amount of ghee or oil. Parathas, omelets, etc. are cooked using this method. Stir frying or sauteing. In this method, food is cooked at high flame using very little amount of ghee or oil. Chow mein is cooked by this method. Baking. Baking involves cooking food inside an oven without direct exposure to the flame. A baker uses this method to prepare cakes, bread, buns, biscuits, etc. Grilling. Sometimes meat and some other vegetables are cooked over direct heat. This method is known as grilling. A griller or a tandoor is used for this purpose. Roasting. Roasting is the process in which food is cooked directly over fire or in an oven. Popcorns, papads, paneer tikka, chapatis, etc. are cooked using this method. Vessels or utensils used for cooking. Different types of vessels and utensils are used in the kitchen for cooking food. They are made of different materials such as steel, copper, aluminium, brass, iron, etc. Even clay pots are used in some rural areas. They come in variety of shapes and sizes. Fact to know: vessels and utensils used for cooking food in the kitchen are called kitchenware. Pressure cooker, wok. frying pan, saucepan, skimmer. Gadgets used for cooking. Besides utensils, we use a number of equipment for cooking. Electric heater, toaster, griller, tandoor, microwave, etc. are some of the equipments commonly used these days. Microwave, toaster, griller, electric cooker, tandoor, solar cooker, kerosene stove, gas stove, mud stove. Fuels used for cooking. Fuels are the materials used for producing heat or energy needed for cooking food. People living in towns and cities use gas stoves, heaters or ovens to cook food. Gas stoves work on LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, while heaters and ovens work on electricity. A solar cooker uses sunlight as fuel. In many rural areas, food is still cooked on mud stoves using cow dung cakes or firewood as fuel. Point to remember, cooking of food started with the discovery of fire. Cooking makes the food soft, tasty and also easy for chewing and digesting. Various methods like frying, steaming, boiling, baking, grilling, roasting etc. are used to cook food. Different types of vessels and utensils are used in the kitchen for cooking food. Vessels and utensils used for cooking food are called kitchenware. Besides utensils, a number of equipment are used for cooking. In many rural areas, food is still cooked on mud stoves using cow dung cakes or firewood. Excess